In the recruitment process, businesses must ensure they are clear about the job they are offering, as attracting the right candidates is crucial for the success of the organization. This begins with defining the role accurately, including the duties, responsibilities, required skills, and qualifications. A well-crafted job description and person specification help to outline exactly what the business is looking for, ensuring that candidates understand the expectations and whether they are suited to the position. For example, a company seeking an IT technician must clearly state the technical skills required, such as knowledge of specific software or hardware, as well as any necessary experience or certifications. Businesses can recruit people internally or externally, and each method has its advantages. Internal recruitment involves filling a vacancy with someone who is already employed by the business. This could be through promotion, where an existing employee moves to a higher position, or a transfer, where someone moves to a different department. Internal recruitment can be beneficial because the employee is already familiar with the company's processes, culture, and values. It can also boost staff morale by providing opportunities for career development within the organization. For example, a sales assistant in a retail company might be promoted to a supervisory role after demonstrating strong performance and leadership potential. External recruitment, on the other hand, involves hiring someone from outside the business. This can be done through various channels, such as advertising the role on job boards, in newspapers, or using recruitment agencies. External recruitment allows businesses to bring in new skills and perspectives, which can be particularly important if the organization is looking for fresh ideas or specialist knowledge. For instance, a technology company expanding into new markets may need to recruit an experienced marketing manager from outside the business to lead the strategy. Regardless of whether the recruitment is internal or external, it is essential that the business selects the right people. Hiring the wrong candidate can be costly, both in terms of time and money, as well as potentially affecting the overall performance of the team. For this reason, businesses often invest significant resources in the recruitment process, carefully evaluating candidates to ensure they are the best fit for the role and the organization. Candidates seeking a job must present themselves in the best possible light, usually through a CV, curriculum vitae, or application form, which outlines their qualifications, experience, and skills. They must explain why they believe they are the right fit for the role, highlighting relevant achievements and attributes. For example, a candidate applying for a project manager role may emphasize their previous experience in managing successful projects, their ability to lead teams, and their strong organizational skills. The interview remains the traditional selection method in the recruitment process. It provides an opportunity for the employer to assess the candidate in person, asking questions to gauge their suitability for the role and the company culture. Interviews also allow the candidate to ask questions about the job and the organization. For example, during an interview for an office administrator position, the employer might ask the candidate about their experience with administrative tasks, their ability to prioritize work, and how they handle stressful situations. In addition to interviews, businesses may use tests to help select who to employ. These can be aptitude tests, designed to measure a candidate's abilities in specific areas, such as numeracy, literacy, or problem-solving. For example, a candidate applying for a financial analyst position may be asked to complete a test, assessing their numerical reasoning skills. Alternatively, personality tests may be used to evaluate whether a candidate's traits align with the values and culture of the business. Practical tasks or assessing. Or assessments, such as a role play or a skills test, are also common, especially for jobs where specific technical abilities are crucial. For instance, a graphic designer applying for a job may be asked to complete a design task to demonstrate their creativity and proficiency with design software. Recruitment is a critical process for businesses, as selecting the right people can directly influence the organization's success. By being clear about the job on offer, choosing the appropriate recruitment method, and carefully evaluating candidates through interviews and tests, businesses can ensure they attract and hire the best talent.